Welcome to KD Hardware Co. Limited. We offer advanced 5-axis machining services, turning complex designs into reality with precision and efficiency. Our 5-axis CNC machines handle intricate geometries and tight tolerances, speeding up production and improving quality. Our skilled team ensures each part meets your exact specifications. Whether for prototypes or small batches, we provide customized CNC machining solutions, delivering high-quality parts on time. Choose KD Hardware for superior machining, competitive pricing, and exceptional support. Contact us now for details on our 5-axis machining services, and get a free quote by uploading your 2D and 3D drawings with material surface treatment and quantity information. We look forward to your inquiry. KD Hardware offers precision machining of complex parts, from prototype to production. Contact us for your project needs. Info@kd-cncmachining.com